This REIBII heavy-duty garage shelving unit provides a tall, narrow footprint that fits easily along a wall while still offering generous vertical storage space for bulky items. The all-metal construction with reinforced uprights and wire shelves feels substantially sturdier than typical particle board units, making it a reliable choice for storing heavy tools and equipment. Adjustable shelf positions let you customize the spacing for everything from tall storage bins to smaller boxes, and the frame can be reconfigured into separate shorter racks or a workbench-style layout. The boltless, interlocking design means assembly is straightforward and fast, and the included mallet and gloves are thoughtful touches that simplify the setup process. Because it resists wobbling when properly assembled and loaded, this shelving works well not only in a home garage or basement, but also in more demanding spaces like workshops and light commercial areas. Its clean, industrial look and open wire shelves help keep dust from building up and make it easy to see and reach stored items, which encourages you to keep your storage area organized over time.